Now let's go ahead and install Intellij. Head over to jetbrains.com and click on Developer Tools. Now there are two ways you can do this. You can either install the Toolbox app, which gives you access to a lot of other IDEs like Intellij Ultimate, WebStorm, Android Studio, PyCharm. If you want to play around with the other IDEs, feel free to use the toolbox. However, the way I like to do it is I install the standalone Intellij. Click on Intellij and then go ahead to the download page and you will see two options. One is the Ultimate and the Community Edition. For our purpose, we will be using the Community Edition, which is free. So feel free to download and install that on your system. Select your platform. Mine is a Mac OS, so I will install the DMG. You can play with the Ultimate Edition. It has a lot more features. However, there is a 30-day trial for it, so make sure you're aware of that. And let's go ahead and install Intellij, and once you're done, go ahead and open Intellij.